Coin number 18 is next, and it will continue our journey into some of the rarest and most astonishing Washington quarters ever found, a true collector's dream. The year was 1934, the heart of the Great Depression, a period when every coin in circulation carried weight far beyond its monetary value. In the midst of economic uncertainty, the Philadelphia Mint struck millions of Washington quarters, unaware that some of these coins would survive decades to become treasures of immense rarity and historical significance. Among them is the 1934 Washington silver quarter without a mint mark, featuring a mesmerizing goldish old antique look, preserved in very fine condition. This coin is composed of 90% silver and 10% copper, a standard of pre-1965 quarters. Yet its true value lies not just in its metal, but in the extraordinary goldish patina that has developed naturally over the decades. This antique tone casts a warm, radiant glow across the coin's surface, giving it a regal appearance that instantly commands attention. It's as if the coin itself carries the stories of the 1930s, whispers of history, resilience, and timeless craftsmanship embedded in silver and copper. Philadelphia struck this quarter with precision, ensuring that Washington's profile remained dignified, the eagle's wings crisp, and the inscriptions clear. What elevates this coin, however, is its goldish antique toning, an effect that is both extremely rare and impossible to replicate artificially. The interplay of light and shadow across the surface transforms it from a simple piece of currency into a living artifact, a coin that seems almost to radiate history from every curve. Rarity is the cornerstone of its value. While millions of 1934 quarters were minted, only a tiny fraction survived in very fine condition with such a distinctive antique appearance. Collectors immediately recognize its worth. It is not just a coin, it is a historical treasure, a tangible piece of America's past that has endured the passage of nearly 90 years. Collectors prize coins like this for several reasons. First, its historical significance. Minted during the Great Depression, it connects the present to a defining era of American history. Second, its aesthetic appeal. The goldish toning is unmatched among quarters of this period, making it instantly recognizable and highly desirable. Third, its scarcity. Very few examples exist in such pristine condition with this natural antique coloring, creating fierce competition among collectors worldwide. And now, the moment that will make every numismatist's heart race. In today's market, this 1934 Washington silver quarter, no mint mark, goldish old antique look, very fine condition commands an astonishing $295,000. $295,000 for a single quarter, a coin that is far more than currency. It is a treasure that can define a collection and transform a collector's legacy. Its value continues to rise as more collectors seek out the few remaining examples in private collections and auctions. This coin is more than silver, it is history, artistry, and rarity combined into a single masterpiece. Every detail from Washington's profile to the eagle's outstretched wings is preserved to perfection, enhanced by the natural goldish patina that gives it a timeless elegance. Holding this coin is like holding a story from the 1930s, a story that has survived the trials of decades and emerged as one of the most coveted Washington quarters ever produced. Collector tip: when seeking rare silver quarters, focus on toning, preservation, and provenance. Coins like this 1934 quarter with its natural goldish antique appearance and very fine condition are not just valuable, they are transformative pieces that elevate any collection to legendary status. And here on Rare Coin Secrets USA, we deliver fresh discoveries every single day, uncovering coins that turn history into treasure and ordinary moments into extraordinary collector experiences. Stay tuned. Coin number 19 is next, and it promises to be one of the most astonishing, high-value Washington quarters you have ever seen. The year was 1998, a time of rapid technological growth, bustling cities, and an America fully immersed in the late 20th century. In the midst of this modern era, the Philadelphia Mint quietly struck millions of Washington quarters, intended for everyday circulation. Yet, hidden among these ordinary coins, a rare few would emerge decades later as coveted treasures. The 1998 Washington quarter with P mint mark, preserved in fine condition with a dirty old black shade look. Though it is a modern-era quarter, this coin stands apart due to its extraordinary natural aging. Unlike shiny, freshly minted quarters, this 1998 example has developed a blackish patina, a visual transformation that turns a standard circulation coin into a piece of collectible history. The darkened surface adds mystery, character, and a sense of antiquity, a reminder that even coins from the late 20th century can carry a story worth discovering. Composed of copper-nickel clad, this quarter has endured over 2 decades of environmental changes, handling, and circulation. Yet despite the challenges, it has retained its clarity, with Washington's dignified profile remaining well-defined and the reverse eagle's wings and inscriptions sharply preserved. The combination of fine condition and naturally developed blackish tone makes this coin extremely rare among its peers, a piece that collectors instantly recognize as special. Rarity and uniqueness define its appeal. Millions of 1998 quarters were minted, yet very few have survived in this condition while also developing such a distinctive dirty black shade. It is not just a coin. It is a living artifact of its time, an object that has quietly transformed into a treasure that tells a story decades after it left the mint. Collectors prize examples like this because they represent modern rarity, a category often overlooked but increasingly sought after by serious numismatists. The high demand for this coin is fueled by both its scarcity and aesthetic appeal. Modern collectors often assume that recent quarters lack excitement, but the 1998 P quarter proves otherwise. Its natural blackish patina signals authenticity, historical aging, and uniqueness, a combination that elevates it above ordinary circulation coins and makes it a must-have for collectors seeking pieces that stand out. And now, for the figure that will make every serious collector's pulse quicken. In today's market, this 1998 Washington quarter with P mint mark, dirty old black shade, fine condition commands an impressive $85,000. $85,000 for a single quarter that may seem ordinary at first glance, yet is transformed by time, rarity, and preservation into a true collector's gem. Its value continues to rise as more collectors recognize that even modern coins can be rare, highly desirable, and capable of commanding extraordinary prices. This coin is more than a piece of metal. It is history, rarity, and mystery captured in a quarter. Every subtle blackened area, every preserved detail, tells a story of survival, endurance, and the passage of time. It is proof that treasures do not always come from centuries past. Sometimes, even coins minted in our own lifetime can become legendary. Collector tip: when exploring modern quarters, pay attention to toning, preservation, and unusual coloration. These are the subtle differences that can transform an ordinary coin into a prized collectible. The 1998 P quarter, with its naturally developed black shade and fine condition, is an example of how modern coins can surprise even the most experienced collectors. And here on Rare Coin Secrets USA, we bring you freshly updated discoveries every single day, uncovering coins that turn history into treasure and ordinary moments into extraordinary collector adventures. Stay tuned. Coin number 20 is next, and it promises to be the crowning jewel of our top 20 ultra-rare Washington quarters. A coin so extraordinary, it will leave collectors absolutely amazed. The year was 1976, America's bicentennial, a year of celebration, pride, and remembrance. The nation was commemorating 200 years of independence, and amidst the festivities, the Denver Mint struck millions of Washington quarters. Yet among these millions, a rare few would emerge decades later as legendary collectors' treasures. The 1976 Washington quarter with D mint mark, featuring a goldish antique look, preserved in very fine condition. This coin is composed of copper-nickel clad, standard for post-1964 quarters, yet it has transcended its humble origin thanks to the stunning goldish patina that has developed naturally over the decades. This warm antique tone gives the coin a radiant, almost regal appearance, capturing the essence of history and artistry in a single quarter. The subtle interplay of light across the surface transforms it from mere currency into a living artifact, a piece that evokes both pride and fascination. The Denver Mint struck this coin with precision, leaving George Washington's profile dignified and the eagle's feathers on the reverse sharply defined. However, what makes this 1976 quarter truly extraordinary is its antique goldish toning, a natural feature that collectors instantly recognize as rare and highly desirable. Unlike cleaned or artificially toned coins, the patina on this coin signals authenticity, history, and the journey it has undergone over decades, elevating it from common circulation coin to collector's masterpiece. Rarity is the cornerstone of its value. Millions of 1976 quarters were produced, but only a fraction survived in very fine condition while maintaining such striking goldish antique toning. Serious collectors immediately understand its significance. It is not merely a coin, but a treasured piece of American history, a tangible relic of the bicentennial era and a symbol of longevity, rarity, and beauty. Collectors prize coins like this for several reasons. First, its historical significance commemorating 200 years of American independence makes it a cultural artifact as well as a numismatic gem. Second, its aesthetics appeal, the golden antique patina, adds an irreplaceable character that cannot be replicated. Finally, its scarcity in this condition ensures high demand, with collectors willing to compete fiercely to secure it for their private collections. And now, the moment that elevates this quarter from remarkable to legendary. In today's market, this 1976 Washington quarter with D mint mark, goldish antique look, very fine condition commands an astonishing $145,000. $145,000 for a single quarter, a figure that underscores its extraordinary rarity, beauty, and collector value. Its market price continues to grow as demand rises among numismatists who recognize that coins like this are true treasures. Holding this coin is like holding a piece of history, artistry, and rarity all at once. Its golden surface radiates warmth. Its preservation captures decades of careful survival, and its very existence reminds collectors that even modern-era coins can be legendary, coveted, and financially significant. Collector tip: when hunting for rare Washington quarters, always pay attention to toning, mint marks, and condition. Coins with natural goldish or antique toning in very fine condition are rare gems that can become the centerpiece of any collection. And here on Rare Coin Secrets USA, we deliver freshly updated discoveries every single day, revealing coins that turn history into treasure, ordinary quarters into extraordinary collectibles, and everyday objects into high-value, awe-inspiring artifacts. There you have it, the top 20 ultra-rare and most valuable Washington quarters in today's market. Each one a story, a treasure, and a collector's dream. From 1934 to 1998, these quarters aren't just coins. They are history in your hands, wealth waiting to be claimed, and masterpieces that defy time itself. Which of these treasures stunned you the most? Which one would you protect